is your man G Dog here. Today I'm gonna be talking about Frosted Mini Wheats. We're back on the channel. We got a lot of good cereals to review. I just want you to make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Anyways, we're gonna dive right in here. We got some whole milk. I always drink the 2% vitamin D. Make sure it's 3.5% milk fat, grade A, pasteurized. Anyways, I'm gonna go with the classic cereal here, and that's Frosted Mini Wheats. Kellogg's, like, you know, is the best thing we could possibly get. Look at the little cartoon right here. You know, we got the good stuff. Anyways, I'm always gonna use a spoon. A spoon's very important, and I just want to like shout out to my sponsors and say like thank you, Cheeses Glass Company. I really like the really cool glasses you make, and I think it's like perfect accessories for eating cereal with. And these cool babies only cost like $500. Cool, nice. All right, thank you. I can't do without you, and I can't do without, you know, my supporting fans out there. So anyways, I'm gonna use a bowl. This is just a classic white IKEA. Let's see, it's made in Sweden, and it's 2.01 kilograms. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to tell you how I do this. This is how I make cereal. Everybody's been asking me lately, G-Dog, Greg, man, how do you make a good, perfect bowl of cereal? Well, I'm going to tell you right now, it starts with the cereal itself. I'm going to grab one piece of cereal right here. Put that in the bowl. Alright, now, I really like to make sure there's a little bit of milk on it first. Alright, so we're going to cut to a close-up, and I'll be back in just a second once we get a little bit more runtime for our sponsors here.
So as you can see here, I put the cereal in the bowl at a left to right angle, like right in the center. And what you're going to want to do is just mix that around with your spoon a tiny bit. And it really kind of gets the leftover particles, and then you waft it with your hand, right? And then you just get the leftover wheat out of there. And now you're going to want to add some milk. And this is where things get a little wild, because I'm going to swirl it around, kind of give it a nice smell to make sure the milk is up to quality, you know? And finally, I'm going to go to my little buddy, the refrigerator, and I'm going to grab some ice. Now, this is key. This is totally clutch for cereal. You're going to really want just like 1 or 2 ice cubes in your bowl, man. And I'm telling you to just drop that right into the milk, you know, give that another little stir just to exfoliate the inner grains, and then you're done.
So anyways, that's all there really is to it. You know, I made the cereal, I put the ice cubes in, I put the milk in, and I like gave it a good stir. I'm gonna go enjoy this cereal right now. I'm gonna catch you guys later. And remember, always stay frosted on the top, wheat on the bottom. Alright everybody, thanks for tuning in. See you next week. Bye.